How to track nutrition using MyFitnessPal application or website here on your device. Nutrition tracking for real life. This is how you can start it. On the website or application, simply click on Start Now option and then follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video. How to track micronutrients in the MyFitnessPal application. It's very easy to track your meal, snack or drink. Simply log in or log your food. Enter your meals in the diary to start tracking your intake. Then navigate to the macros. From your food diary, tap the three dots on the lower right corner of the screen to access the More menu. Tap on Nutrition. At the top of the Nutrition screen, tap on Macros to view your macros here. Now you will see a pie graph displaying what percentage of calories you've consumed today that come from each of the three macronutrients. Beneath the pie chart, you can see how your daily micro totals compare to your goal. This is how you can track this activity. Now fourth step will be simply review a different day. Find the day view menu available on the pie chart. Navigate to yesterday, tomorrow using the side arrows, or tap on day view and then tap change day to pick up another day. Now you simply have to review your week. This is the last option to get a sense of bigger picture. Tap on day view and then tap on the week view to get a broad chart of your health or track of your nutrients. This is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel.